So if you take what we were doing earlier, where we were just basically wandering around, if I do this and I say to her, go this way, that's somehow not tango.
Not exactly.
And I pass her arm behind me. It's sort of fun. Now watch what I'm going to do. Keep it. And so there's this sense of yearning towards her. So my upper body, I'm shaping towards her.
And I'm trying to stay with him.
And I stay towards her. And so this, there's that, and I don't get there. I stay towards her, but I don't get there. I pulled a little tighter in my body. And for her, between steps, she made it thick. Step, step,
And I was like yearning to him as much as I could, given that I was behind him.
So for now, I want you to think you can do something similar. You maintain the embrace, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that we make the collection thick.
And that's the other point, is that when we want to make something tango, we want to try to collect our feet in between each step as much as we can.
And we stay more towards each other. And if you do this, and I'm really not going to worry about my feet to the extent I can, you know, part of its habit. And in my arms, I'm not doing a whole lot except giving her gentle pulls, gentle directions. And let's say something bad happens and I bump into her. We'll just keep going. So face your partner, pull in tight, take your time, make the 1, 2 slow.
And have a lot of fun.